everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming outdoor spaces into stunning havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're tackling a topic that's close to many of your hearts, creating a stunning small summer garden. Don't let a limited space limit your dreams of a beautiful outdoor oasis. We're here to show you that even the smallest patch of green can be transformed into a breathtaking retreat. So, what exactly is a small summer garden design? It's more than just a collection of plants in a tight space. It's a thoughtful and intentional approach to maximizing every single inch of your outdoor area to create a beautiful, functional, and inviting sanctuary. A small summer garden is all about smart design choices, from selecting the right plants to using clever decor, all aimed at creating a space that feels bigger, more vibrant, and truly alive during the warmest months of the year. It's about designing a personal escape, a place to relax, entertain, and enjoy the beauty of nature right outside your door. And the benefits? Oh, they are plentiful. Having a small summer garden is a fantastic way to improve your well-being. It provides a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, offering a spot for relaxation and mindfulness. Gardening itself is a proven stress reliever and a great form of light exercise. A well-designed small garden also significantly increases the aesthetic appeal and value of your home, making it a more inviting space for you and your guests. Plus, you get to enjoy the simple pleasures of nature, the scent of blooming flowers, the buzz of bees, and the joy of watching something you nurtured grow and flourish. It's a powerful way to connect with the outdoors, even in an urban setting. Now you might be asking, how do I decorate my small summer garden to make it look beautiful? The key is to think vertically and creatively. Use trellises, hanging baskets, and wall planters to draw the eye upwards and create a sense of lushness without taking up valuable floor space. Choose furniture that is multifunctional or appropriately scaled for your area. A small bistro set or a single comfortable chair can be perfect. Incorporate lighting like string lights or lanterns to create a magical atmosphere for evening use. Don't be afraid to use mirrors to reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space. Finally, add personal touches with decorative elements like fountains, statues, or colorful cushions and throws to make the space uniquely yours. To get you started, here are the best plants for a small summer garden. One, lavender. It's drought-tolerant, smells amazing, and attracts pollinators. 2, petunias. These come in a huge variety of colors and are perfect for hanging baskets and containers. 3, hostas. Ideal for shady spots, their lush foliage adds texture and a touch of drama. 4, hydrangeas. With their large, colorful blooms, they make a bold statement in a small space. 5, herbs like mint, rosemary, and basil. Not only do they look and smell great, but you can also use them in your cooking. 6, climbing roses. Perfect for training on fences or trellises to add vertical interest and beautiful flowers. 7, geraniums. A classic for a reason, they are hardy, colorful, and thrive in pots. 8, boxwood. A great choice for creating structure and evergreen interest with its neat, clipped look. Now, to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, let's dive into our top 10 best small summer garden design, with examples from these stunning ideas. 1, the circular lawn oasis. This design beautifully demonstrates how a small garden can be both structured and inviting. The central circular lawn creates a focal point, while the curved paving stones lead the eye around the space. The raised deck area with a simple pergola provides a cozy, shaded spot for seating, proving that even a tiny corner can become a functional outdoor room. The clever use of different textures, grass, paving, wood, and a variety of plants adds depth and visual interest, making the garden feel larger and more dynamic. 2, the Bohemian Garden Hideaway. This image showcases a charming and personal style. The white wooden hut serves as a perfect garden room or she shed, offering a private, sheltered spot for relaxation. The string lights and lanterns create a warm, magical ambience, especially for summer evenings. The use of a circular rug on the decking softens the space and defines the seating area, while a mix of wrought tan and painted furniture adds to the cozy bohemian feel. Lush greenery and flowering plants frame the space, giving it a secluded and intimate atmosphere. 3. The modern Zen retreat. This design is a masterclass in minimalist elegance. The use of gravel and carefully placed rocks creates a calming, low-maintenance Japanese-inspired garden. The multi-level structure, with stone walls and a striking dark wooden feature, adds architectural interest and defines different zones. The pagoda sculpture acts as a serene focal point, and the selection of small sculptural plants like conifers and grasses provides texture without overwhelming the space. This is a perfect example of how a small garden can be a tranquil artistic statement. 4. The lush urban jungle. This garden proves that you can create an explosion of greenery, even in an enclosed urban space. The wall is completely covered in a dense mix of plants, creating a private, tropical feel that extends from the inside out through the glass doors. The use of multiple small tables and potted plants on various levels adds layers and a sense of abundance. This design is all about maximizing vertical space and creating a rich tapestry of foliage, transforming a small patio into a vibrant living room. 5. The romantic rose garden. This image shows how a small garden can be a riot of color and romance. The structured hedge defines a central, heart-shaped flower bed filled with a mix of roses and other perennials. The path leading through the space invites exploration, and the climbing roses on arches and trellises add a breathtaking vertical element. This garden uses a strong design layout to create a formal yet wildly beautiful space, proving that even a small area can hold a wealth of blooms and charm. 6. The raised planter patio. This design is a fantastic solution for a small patio or backyard. The large, raised wooden planters instantly create a lush and vibrant atmosphere, elevating the flowers and making them a key design feature. The overflowing petunias and sweet potato vine cascade over the sides, softening the edges of the patio and adding a cascade of color. This approach is highly effective for renters or those who want to avoid digging into the ground, offering a portable and powerful way to add a garden to any space. 7. The contemporary gravel garden. This modern and chic garden uses a minimalist palette of materials. The white gravel and large square pavers create a clean, contemporary look, while the raised white planting beds add structure and visual interest. A unique, rusty metal water feature serves as a striking centerpiece. The plants are carefully chosen for their texture and form, with grasses and alliums providing a beautiful contrast to the clean lines of the hardscaping. This design is low maintenance, stylish, and perfect for a modern home. 8. The cottage-inspired tea garden. This design evokes a sense of whimsical charm and a timeless cottage feel. The garden is filled with a beautiful, naturalistic mix of flowering perennials, creating a soft and abundant look. A small bistro table and chairs, set with a lovely tablecloth, create a perfect spot for afternoon tea. The antique-style birdcage and other decorative elements add to the romantic, vintage feel. This is an ideal example of how to create an intimate and personal garden room filled with color and character. 9. The vertical ivy wall. This image showcases an incredibly clever and stylish way to use a fence. The dark fence provides a dramatic backdrop for the diamond-patterned trellis, which is covered in climbing ivy. This vertical green wall adds life and texture without taking up any ground space. A small decorative chair, a reflective mirror, and potted plants complete the scene, creating a cozy and curated corner. It's a perfect example of using a simple fence to create a stunning focal point and a sense of depth. 10. The winding path and flower border. This design uses a winding cobblestone path to create a sense of journey and illusion of a larger space. The path is bordered by lush, vibrant flower beds filled with a spectacular mix of perennials and annuals. The mix of colors, from warm yellows and oranges to cool purples and pinks, is stunning. A modern, dark-colored structure at the end of the path provides a destination and a functional area for entertaining. This design proves that even a small space can feel expansive and full of life. I hope these ideas have inspired you to look at your small garden with fresh eyes. Remember, the size of your space doesn't matter as much as the creativity and passion you put into it. Whether you prefer a minimalist Zen retreat, a lush bohemian jungle, or a romantic rose garden, there's a perfect design out there for you. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more garden design inspiration, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Happy gardening, everyone!